Hi guys, this video is about phishing attack and how to perform phishing attack and how to protect yourself from phishing attack. So let's begin. So here I'm gonna represent a tool called SetPhisher. So SetPhisher is a tool where you can perform phishing attacks. As you can see, it is available in the GitHub platform. This is the tool to perform phishing attacks. So I'm gonna download this tool. So guys, this video is made for educational purposes only. So don't use these tricks to harm others. And I'm not responsible for any cost that you do by watching my video. So this is how you download from GitHub the tool. You can download using the git clone command, and you can move to the setphisher folder. As you can see, the setphisher.sh, when you have to execute it. Yeah, it is installing the required package and we need to wait some little time, and it's installing the cloud flag, so it's installing the local expose. So you can perform phishing attacks on these much social media platforms. Today in this video I'm going to show you about the Instagram. So I am clicking to, and I'm gonna using a traditional login page, and then in this video I'm gonna show you localhost. I'm not creating any port, so this is now hosted on my localhost. So I'm copying this link and opening this link. No, okay, let's open from here. Oh my god, I'm copying this and opening from here. Okay, so this is the phishing link that we created. This is the traditional login page of Instagram. It looks like the login page of Instagram. So if you enter some of your credentials like your username and any of your password here, so if you click login, then it will move to your original Instagram, like the URL is www.instagram.com. so what is happening here, so if you enter your credentials in the phishing website, you are now redirecting to your original social media account. And what happens behind is the attacker can know your IP. As you can see, this is the victim's IP. As you can see, this is the account username and the password which is captured by the attacker. If you enter any of your credentials in the phishing link or phishing social media account that the attacker created, then your account name, username and the password will be gone to the attacker. And you are not suspecting the attacker because you are going to the real website of Instagram, as you can see here. So this is the example of phishing attack, and this is how to perform the phishing attack. So this is basic phishing attack, as you can see. So how to protect yourself from phishing attacks is a question. As you can see, look at the URL always. So if you want to protect yourself from phishing attacks, you have to look at the URL. So look at the URL. So attacker can create URL like Instagram.com something. So you have to look at the spelling also to protect yourself from attack. As you can see here, it's 2022 Instagram from Meta. So it's 2024, right? So it's 2022. So this is also, we can look at here to know it's an phishing link. But the main thing that you need to look is your the URL, and as you can see, it looks similar to Instagram. When you move to Instagram login, when you search in a website and when you open Instagram, so this is how it looks like, and this looks like the phone picture was not available here in the original Instagram, and the URL is different from what we are in. Okay, As you can see, this is our URL of the phishing, and this is the real URL of Instagram. And the difference here, as you can see, it's 2024, right? So when you click, you can click download on the App Store. Yeah, it is moving to the App Store. You can click get it on Google Play. Then it is also moving to Google Play. And in the phishing, as you can see, when you click here, it's still loading and it is moving. Yeah, and when you click here, it's moving. So to suspect a phishing link, you need to look at the URL first, and you have to look at this one. So URL is the first thing that you need to look to protect yourself from phishing attacks. As you can see, this can be edited if the attacker is a great attacker. So I'm gonna show you how to edit this into 2024. So for that, I'm opening my folder and going to downloads. Sorry, I'm going to Kali. Here I can get the set fisher. So I'm going to, yeah, I need to find the hidden files from here. For that, I'm switching into view and show hidden files. As you can see, a lot of things, sites. From there I can see a lot of websites that it supports. I'm gonna move to Instagram. It's IG followers, and you can see verify followers Instagram. So I think this is the Instagram, and yeah, this is what we move, like the phone icon. Yeah, here's what we want to edit. Okay, so here I'm gonna open the login.html. As you can see, this is what it is, the phishing websites HTML code. Okay, HTML. So this is the index.php, as you can see, and we do have login.php. As you can see, this is the login.php. So how the hacker edit this? Is that your question? Then the hacker will right click and open with mouse pad, and this is the fake Instagram. The hacker can search for 2022, and you can see it's 2022 here, and we can move from here to, yeah, this is what we need to edit, right? So I'm putting this here, 2024 Instagram from Meta, and saving. So after saving this, if the hacker will able to edit the code, if the hacker is a great hacker, like he's an experienced hacker, then he can edit like this and put a phishing link the real link. Okay, I'm gonna close all my browser here. So I'm gonna perform this attack again. So I'm clicking for Instagram and traditional login page and log and I don't want to specify the custom port. I'm opening the link. As you can see here, it's 2024. So the best way to protect yourself from phishing attacks is always look at the URL. Okay, and you also have to look here, because some hackers doesn't edit these once. Okay, so you have to look at every word before entering your credentials. So don't click any link that you get from anywhere. So if you want to visit Instagram website or any other social media website, go and search in the browser and look for the URL, look for the spelling, and you can open it and enter your credentials by looking into the spelling clearly. Okay, so this is about the demonstration. I hope this demonstration helps you to learn something, and thank you for watching.